Welcome friends to video number 4 of class 10th subject chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. Today we are going to discuss about different types of chemical reactions. We have in the previous video we have already discussed that there are 6 types of chemical reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, precipitation and oxidation, reduction and redox reaction. Today we will discuss one by one. So let's start. Different types of chemical reactions. First is combination reaction. What is combination reaction? As the name suggests, combination, that is combine. That means the reaction in which two or more simpler substance combines to form a single substance is called combination reaction. That is the reaction in which two or more simpler substance combines to form a single substance is called combination reaction. As for example, let us take example. We have already discussed hydrogen and oxygen combined. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Here two simpler substance, that is hydrogen and oxygen, combines to form a single substance, that is water. It is in gaseous state, it is also in gaseous state, it is in liquid state. That is hydrogen combines with oxygen to form वाटर, यानी दो सब्सटेंस मिलकर अगर सिंगल सब्सटेंस बनाता है तो हमारा ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में आता है. ठीक है, दूसरा एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म व्हाट? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. क्लियर? मैग्नीशियम बैलेंस, टू ऑक्सीजन टू ऑक्सीजन टू मैग्नीशियम, इट इज बैलेंस्ड. सो मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट विथ oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is also a combination reaction. Here two substances combines to form a single substance. Similarly, calcium quicklime react with water. It is called quicklime or calcium oxide react with water to form slackline, that is calcium hydroxide. It is also a single substance. Here two substances react, that is called quicklime and water. Quicklime react with water to form slacked lime, that is also known as calcium hydroxide. Clear? Now take second one, that is just opposite of combination is what? What is the combination opposite of, that is decomposition reaction. That is a single substance break to form two or more simpler substance, that means decompose, break, है ना. Second one is decomposition reaction. That is the reaction in which a single substance breaks to form two or more simpler substance is called decomposition reaction. Clear? There are three types of decomposition reaction. I have already discussed, told you today. Yesterday, in the previous video. Okay. So there are three types of decomposition reaction. Okay, we will discuss one by one. First, that is thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat, that is in the presence of heat. Clear? What will the definition? And the decomposition reaction that takes place in the presence of heat. In the presence of heat is called thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction. Let us take an example that takes place in the presence of heat. Calcium carbonate, that is limestone. When heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate, that is limestone, is heated. It forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. That is calcium carbonate, or we can say it limestone. Okay, calcium oxide or other name is quick lime. This is carbon dioxide. It is balanced chemical equation 2 3 3 oxygen, carbon 2, calcium 1, carbon 1, carbon 1. It is balanced. Okay, similarly we can take ferrous sulfate. Is when heated, it forms Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Is it balanced? 2 1 3 2 5 6 7 8. If you put 2 here, 4 2 8 8. 2 iron 8 oxygen, sulfur 2 sulfur. It is balanced. So ferrous sulfate when heated form ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Clear? Okay, now after thermal decomposition, it is second one is B. It is B. Let us take A. It is B. Okay, that is photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition reaction. Photolytic, photo means light, that is in the presence of light. Okay, that means the decomposition reaction that takes place in the presence of sunlight is called photolytic. Photo means light. Photolytic decomposition reaction. Let us take example. Silver chloride, AgCl11. Okay, when kept in, this is in solid form. When kept it in sunlight, it decomposes to form silver solid and chlorine gas. Silver chloride, silver and chlorine gas. Similarly, silver bromide, AgBr, when kept in sunlight, it decomposes to again form silver and bromine gas. Bromine gas, silver solid. Okay, this is also solid. Silver bromide, silver bromine gas. Clear? Okay. Photolytic thermal. Next, that is C is electrolytic decomposition. That is electrolytic, that is in the presence of electricity. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. That is the presence of electric current. That is the decomposition reaction that takes place in the presence of electric current is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. Example, water, that is in liquid state. When electric current, that is electrolysis, is done, electric current is passed, it breaks into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. That is water, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Next is our displacement reaction. First, second, third. It is third. Displacement reaction. You have already studied in class 8. The reaction in which more reactive metal displaces it, the less reactive metal from its salt solution. So the reaction in which more reactive metals displaces less reactive metals from its salt solution. Example, zinc when react with copper sulfate. Since zinc is more reactive than copper, you must have seen reactivity series in class 8. Zinc is more reactive than copper, so zinc will displace copper from its solution. So it will form zinc sulfate and copper will be displaced. Zinc react with copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper. It is in solid state, A equals aqueous state. No, it is in solid state, it is in aqueous state. Similarly, when iron in solid state react with copper sulfate, since again iron is more reactive than copper, so it will displace copper and form FeSO4 plus copper. it is also in aqueous state, and this is in solid state. So iron, copper, so aqueous state, copper sulfate to form iron sulfate and copper. Let us take one more example. Lead. Lead, that is in solid state, react with copper chloride. Lead will displace copper, the lead chloride will form and copper will be displaced. It is also in aqueous state form, and yes, solid state. Lead, 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 copper chloride, here lead chloride is formed, and copper plus copper in solid state it is formed. Next is double displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. Okay. Just like displacement, but in this ions interchange take place. That means if two aqueous solution react, then their ions interpositive of first take place or negative of first combines to form a new substance, है ना. यानी कि आयंस का सिर्फ इंटरचेंज होगा, पहला का पॉजिटिव दूसरे का नेगेटिव के साथ जाएगा और दूसरा का पॉजिटिव पहले के नेगेटिव के साथ इंटरचेंज हो जाएगा. यानी कि द रिएक्शन इन विच interchange of ions takes place is called double displacement reaction. Okay, let us take an example. Sodium sulfate 2:4 aqueous solution, both the solution must be aqueous solution. When barium chloride aqueous, it forms sodium chloride ions, positive ions here, negative ions interchange, positive barium, negative sulfate, that barium sulfate is formed. Okay, barium sulfate, solid precipitation is formed here, and this is aqueous state. Aqueous combines to form aqueous sodium chloride and barium. That is, it is also called, I think, precipitation reaction. This may be example of precipitation reaction also. Sodium sulfate react with barium chloride to form sodium chloride and barium sulfate precipitate. Second example, silver nitrate aqueous form react with sodium chloride, it is also in aqueous form, to form silver chloride, it is precipitate solid form, plus sodium nitrate NaNO3, that is will be in solid state. This is silver nitrate react with sodium chloride to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. If you don't know how to write the same compound name, refer to my video number first. Okay, next, fifth one is precipitation reaction. These are also examples of precipitation reaction because solid insoluble substance is formed. Precipitation reaction. The reaction in which we have already discussed insoluble substance is formed. The reaction in which insoluble substance is formed during is called precipitation reaction. Example, these are two examples, you can also write here. Any of these, let me again repeat the same. Silver nitrate aqueous solution plus sodium chloride, it is also in aqueous solution, react to form silver chloride, that is solid state precipitate is formed, plus sodium nitrate solid, so aqueous, it will be in aqueous, aqueous. Silver nitrate, sodium chloride, silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Okay, so and the last one is left, that is oxidation, reduction and redox reaction is left. So we will discuss it about in next video. Okay, I'm stopping my video here. Okay, bye, take care.